Hello. For my author study, I did not get to present an author. I was present for the final author, who was Jackson Grant. He was a teenage boy who at the age of 10 began treatments for brain tumors that they had found through MRIs. So as the years have gone by, he has endured over 34 MRIs, and he has learned how to cope and deal with them. So in his book, The Donut That Roared, he's using this as a guide to teach other kids to prepare and not be so scared and just have an understanding of what to expect. It's a really cute book. He was a really great speaker. I loved his story. I loved just hearing his passion and wanting to help other kids as much as he could. So what I did do during the presentation was I took the 118 names that were in the Zoom call, and I typed each name out on the wheel of names, and I added my literacy group's names just to have names to show you an idea. So imagine this with 118 names, and when the time came, I spun the wheel. I think we did it about a handful of times, and each time a gift was handed out, or a gift was in the range to be sent to those individuals who won. We had Professor Speck who won. So yeah, that was my role in the literacy conference.